Welcome to Cool Art AJ7. Today, we are bringing you another unique and creative artwork, an amazing artificial stone wall art. Stay with us till the end and don't forget to enjoy every detail. This stone wall art is not just decoration, it's a masterpiece of creativity. Every stroke and detail adds a natural touch that feels alive. Creating artificial stone art requires patience and imagination, and the result is always something truly eye-catching and unique. Look at the texture. It almost feels like real stone. That's the magic of creative art, turning imagination into reality. This artwork proves that even a simple wall can be transformed into something extraordinary with the power of art. Every step of this process is filled with creativity, and the final result is nothing less than unbelievable. Outstanding work. Wonderful creation. Wow, unbelievable art. Thank you for watching this video on Cool Art AJ7. If you enjoyed this artificial stone wall art, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing and creative arts. See you in the next video.